Ayan po guys, good morning. Good morning everyone. Good morning to all my viewers and subscribers. Kumusta po kayong lahat guys? Happy Thursday everyone. So today is Thursday everyone. It's a holiday. So it's a holy Thursday today. So good morning, good morning. So for today's video guys, ayan, my daily routine. Mag-ehersisyo na naman ako mga palangga. So samahan niyo po ako mag-ehersisyo ngayong umaga. Ayan po mga palangga, napakasakit po ng aking ulo guys. Sa kadahilanan po dumating po yung aking menstruation. So first, una palang araw ngayon guys. So mag-exercise lang muna ako mga palangga. Para po maigalaw ko naman po yung aking katawan mga palangga. So good morning, good morning. This is my update, my daily routine this morning. So shout out everyone. Today it's April 2, 2026. So yan, samahan niyo po akong mag-ehersisyo ngayon guys, ngayong umaga. So ayan, hindi pa naman po masyadong mainit ngayon guys, pero nag-electric pan ako mga palangga. So ayan, samahan niyo po ako guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ayan, ang daming ibon guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 7, 38, 39, 40. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 8, 39, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, 40. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Hindi po ako pinapawisan ngayon guys kasi hindi naman po masyadong mainit ngayong umaga. So time check here is around 7 AM. So ayan, nag-electric fan ako guys. So this is my daily routine. So tapos na po akong nag-ehersisyo guys. And thank you for watching. Wow!